Namaste. Today, we're going to integrate a little bit of meditation into our practice of yoga, which can be done in a little break in the midst of your hectic day. Meditation has many benefits, and in our tradition of Ananda Yoga, we call our entire practice a meditative practice of yoga. And it's beautiful when you integrate the body, mind and soul in a simple practice that can give you many benefits. So we're going to step into our routine now, and Tushar is going to be assisting me. And the first up, we are going to do what we call a circle of joy. Usually in workplaces, when there's a lot to do and very little time at hand, we feel more stress. Maybe even on some days we feel a little anxious. So we're going to do this joy routine, which is inhaling joy and interlacing your fingers and exhaling tensions. And then inhaling more joy. You can even go up on your toes, exhaling away all the tensions. And then you can inhale and interlace your fingers and just pull the shoulder blades together, giving a nice opening to the heart and lungs. And exhaling forward and joining our palms here at the heart center. Again, inhale and interlace. Exhale. Inhale up, stretching the whole body. Exhale. Inhale and interlace. Stretch, stretch, stretch. Just as much as your shoulders can take. Exhale and relax. One more time. Inhaling joy, and you can close your eyes this time. Exhaling forward. Inhaling up. Stretching tall. Exhaling. Inhale and interlace. Stretch, pulling the shoulder blades together. Exhaling back into a namaste. And softly open your eyes. And we're kind of feeling a lot more joy and feeling energized here, right? Now, the asana, the yoga posture we have picked for today is Parvatasana, the seated mountain pose. And so you could either do this on the floor or you could even do it on a chair. So now we're going to do Parvatasana, the seated mountain pose. And this is a great asana or posture to practice before meditation. Or even if you don't meditate, it just helps you get back into your center and be calm and focused, to focus on whatever you need to do. So for this posture, we're going to be doing it on the floor, and Tushar is going to do a full version with lotus pose, which is what we call the Padmasana, and I'm going to do a simple cross-legged. You can be sitting on the edge of a cushion if that's comfortable for you. It just gives you a little bit more of lift. And then sitting very calm and centered. And then with the next inhale, taking your arms up. And as you exhale, relax the shoulders. And you can take a couple of breaths here just to relax into the pose. You can close your eyes. And with the next inhale, take a nice deep inhale and then hold the breath in, almost as if you were lifting energy inside you to the point between the eyebrows and the brain. Just staying there, and then slowly exhale. Again, inhale, nice deep in-breath, pulling the navel in, lifting up the energy mentally to the brain, to the point between the eyebrows, holding it there and affirming mentally, my thoughts and energy rise up to touch the sky. Exhale when you need to and follow your own rhythm of breathing depending on your capacity. But remembering to inhale, pull the navel in, lift the energy up to the brain, affirm there, my thoughts and energy rise up to touch the sky. Practice this for one more round. My thoughts and energy rise up to touch the sky. Then with the next inhale, lifting your arms up and circling them back down. And you could go into a mini meditation here. So this is just the right posture for meditation. Continuing to sit nice and tall. If you're comfortable, close your eyes, keep your gaze uplifted at the point between the eyebrows, or just gaze into a distance. Feeling a sense of calmness, centeredness, and uplifted thoughts. A pose like this can uplift your consciousness, make you feel more energized, lighter, joyful. So tune into that sense of joy. You can bring a smile to your lips and relax all the muscles of the face, relax your shoulders. And take a moment here to just blank the screen of your mind. And on that screen, visualize a happy moment in your life. You feeling joyful and elated. People around you are happy. And taste that joy in your mind. And be in that state of joy for just 60 seconds. And slowly letting go of your practice, feeling a sense of inner joy and taking that joy into your day. Hope you feel more blissful, and this is what mini meditations at work can do for you. Much joy to you.
Oh.